Mercy and Ike show. Ike only interested in the business aspect of his relationship with Mercy. Episode 9 Full Gist. Mercy and Ike relationship has been something special so far, which is what has attracted fans to them, but it seems they are having challenges in their relationship. Ike has been described as a gold digger since Mercy won the 2019 edition of the popular Big Brother Naija show, because he wanted a share from the 60 million she won from the show. Recall that Ike played a very important role to ensure that Mercy Ike won the show by giving her all his coins so she can buy immunity, which took her to the finale, while Ike was evicted. As expected, Mercy's fame and business grew since winning the show, and Ike has also benefited from her success, which is also paying off for him. They launched a reality show together called What Next with Mercy and Ike. The show focuses on their personal lives and gives fans an insight on what's happening in their relationship. On the latest episode of the show, Ike stressed that he still gets calls from people asking him why he's still in a relationship with Mercy. Personally to him, he wants to take his relationship to the next level, but his family are confused on what they want for him, while his fans are adamant that he breaks up with Mercy. Being that he is in a state of confusion at the moment, he called Venita, who is an ex-BBNaija housemate, for advice. According to Ike, Venita is like a senior sister to him, and she is a realist. Ike started by pouring his heart out to Venita as he revealed that he sees Mercy Ike only as his business partner. In his words, he said, "When I look at Mercy, I just see her as a person I can do business with to make my business grow." This statement by Ike is enough to make Mercy go mad on him. Venita then asked him if he really wants his relationship with Mercy to work. Ike then responded with another statement that could jeopardize his relationship with Mercy. He said, "I want my business to grow. I want some money." Venita, who was not sure if he heard her question clearly, asked another question. She asked Ike if he loves Mercy. Then Ike replied saying he loves money, and went further to state that he is tired of the relationship and won't mind breaking up with her. Venita didn't believe all what he said, as she still maintains that Ike will always run back to Mercy because they are inseparable. Venita then shocked everyone as she proposed a 400,000 naira bet, daring Ike to break up with Mercy. Mercy and Ike relationship is getting very interesting. Okay guys, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.